My daughter really wants to play with nanotape, and I wanted to find a nanotape set that gave her everything she needed in one set so she's ready to go. And I think I found it in this one. Let me show you. Now to start off with, it comes with this great container. This handle came inside the container to start, but you just pop it on. And this twist, it's a little confusing because you twist it and you think the top will come up by itself, but the whole ribbon comes up too. But once you get that, it opens beautifully and you have so much to work with here. Now let me show you everything you get close up. Now starting off, it comes with two tools. This spoon actually has a bit of a flat bottom and it's kind of unique in its styling, surely for different nanotape creations. And then a pair of scissors to cut the tape. And then you get all of these balls that when you pull out this piece of paper, actually light up and go through multiple colors. So you can have light up creations. Obviously they will only last as long as the battery lasts, but that's really quite cool. And you can slide the paper back in if you don't want to use them. And then so many cute little pieces here. They're all a slightly rubbery plastic, really adorable. This cute little creature here is a hard plastic. And then you get 3 separate boxes of these little foam balls. The next level are all different types of fillers. You have so many different colors of star glitter, little alphabet squares, various colorful fruits, and these almost look like sprinkles. And on top of that, you have refills for your fruits and your letters. And in the absolute bottom, you have all these cute little stickers to put on the front of your nanotape creations. Straws if you're making bubble nanotape creations. Lots of glittery stickers in different colors and themes. And then you have 3 slime fillers. And these squishy fillers are great, very rewarding to squish. And finally, you're at the nanotape. You have 4 different colors: pink, purple, blue, and green. And then you also have glitter and clear. And it all comes in this great reusable bin. So it's ready for play. Overall, I am thrilled with this set. It has so many decorative options that it really makes it more fun than just getting nanotape alone. And even with the nanotape, you have 6 different options. Very cool. It's a really complete set, and I cannot wait to see what my daughter creates with it.